Welcome back to UK Theme Parks and welcome back to Chessington World of Adventures. Now Kurt was on park today and is providing these update video shots for you. And you can see exactly how much has changed in just a week. Now we start in the car park where this was full of track last week. It has nearly been emptied as most of the track has now been moved onto the main site. As you can see, this was littered last week. However, it is not so much now. Now then, we have a lot of theming elements and a lot of changes that have happened in the last week, with the main one being the snake which has appeared. And this snake will form part of one of the new flat rides, which is going down by the launch exit to the station. The side of the station as well is now red, and the bits we pointed out last week now also form part of the theming. But yeah, the snake is looking really good. There's a shot from inside the park and indeed the access road which we were allowed access to today. The other big news is more track has been installed, including this incredible turn point which you can see coming down from the inversion, turn left right the way down, as well as the shed. Interestingly, they haven't done the bit in the middle yet. The reason for that is the fact that this piece has another launch section on it. So it looks like it's going to be a booster section, which will probably work both ways, to be fair, for pushing the train up the spike and indeed back down through the inversion back to the station. Landscaping hasn't really continued that much. Certainly most of the effort has gone on this. But look at it. It looks fantastic. Be sure to check our picture update out on our website, chessingtonworld.co.uk. But from the World of Jumanji this week, we'll be back very soon. Thanks for joining us here on UK Theme Parks.